Abusuafo me mama kwa baba Meratech Academy. Your previous example na lesson or video no you solve a problem back but yeah the switch no and it solve instead of if else in the man and you see switch in the ebe how easier ubetumi use switch they solve a problem ubetumi the if so solve it depending on the way you're comfortable with. But ebima adwuma no ye quite simpler which is a switch no. Say if else na fe na obetro bebre by switch no untro bebre sa code of line endorse. Nti ene lesson na na video no yen koye nim na yen hwe how ebetumi the while loop hiding a solve a problem, computer related problem. Nti yen hwe question for the day. So write a program using pseudocode to accept 10 marks and display the assignment average. Inti ye the pseudocode ebe tro programmer ebe get marks maku 10 edu. Yes, 10. Na fi ya find ni total anan ukani nyina abuma de obinya. Na afi ya san find ni average. Inti average no ye say ye divide students 10 no enyina marks by the number of students no more it take exam na at the activity corner do say ni ebenya nti e person find average me just say omo ntwa kra no omo twa asen nti bibisa ti enhwe solution medical akadada say algorithm no obetimi atro algorithm because this year me gidi say what algorithm asin ti say da be content nti no must keep algorithm because algorithm we mature that we can't show that nti me using in while loop na hu hia say be sa atro nti yen koye nim yen hwe solution until begin na declare a data type that is numeric because I numbers nti n counter n num n sum n average I mean chechem and numeric way any data type any the minimum so what you n counter a variable name I don't need the count because yes I accept 10 marks the be count ya say number na accept na 10 I do 10 and I do 10 into variable way na be count ya my na ma initializing it to 0 you see I 0 you nyan count you be count but the condition way while loop way na be count nti n counter we hunu wa ha as chere no n num ye variable a ye declare ye de be receive 10 marks no nti ye nya receive ye nti is equal to 0 by initializing it to 0 n sum ye pesi ye hunu the total sum of omo marks no nti eno so ye nya nje ye ne de initializing it to 0 na fe ye find sum ye be sa find average into n average the na make an ntwa kro mu twa sen students class na average yes sen into and also my initialize it to be because answer na ye be hu average no just ye hu total marks near divide ti we initialize it to 0 first so be any so into n average into ye declare variable no ti ye twen ahwe marks kro any near the divide total because of say you see while loop nti average no we encounter an count here ebe me hu number do de be ye average no to the enko no beti ase ti while n counter is less than or equal to 10 nti n counter we is 0 before that no so medi kan aye yesua and I say there is a video and a lesson on while loop for loop nesa man timba cho so refia obetimi akọ back no refresh your mind on while loop no how am chire mu no we are no skip ya ba video we no aba be hwe how our implementation it here wa so the be ya obeti ase bia na refi nti we ne be ba be ni wa ma anyway yento aso nti while n counter is less than or equal to 10 ye declare n counter no wa ha into so far as say encounter na less than and equal to 10 no enioma we nyina statement we nyina enrun nti be accept n-num, that is number way variable na declare no, be accept n-num because n-num no my initializing it to 0 into the 0 baha 0 is less than or equal to 10 into you bet to me I continue your statement no because I say while n counter is less than or equal to 10 into n counter is 0 into you be accept n-num into n sum near calculate n sum total no n sum is equal to n sum plus n-num. N sum is saying 0, n-num is saying 0 into so far as I accept it beginning na n-num is 0 into accept n-num na just say n-num a change from 0 to number na nipa no input wa ha no into say nipa no input number wa ha n sum ne be equal to n sum that is 0 way plus number na nipa na input no into e be 0 plus 1 a 1 say 2 a 2 3 a but what you say into ye na ya sa account n counter no into n counter is equal to n counter plus 1 aha no my no n counter plus 1 but uko advanced level I be obetimi atron n counter plus the same as n counter is equal to n counter plus 1 enti ye we are because on say end no ha on say end ni ha into begin end into so far as say n counter no you see n counter is equal to n counter plus 1 t n counter no 0 my initialize it to 0 into n counter is equal to 0 plus 1 into 0 plus 1 is equal to 1 into san repeat and jump aba because you say while n counter near less than equal to 10 no we na execute we pe and na for next line of code na run me patrol steps while n counter is less than or equal to 10 begin I just say on shas here enye sa nyoma we on accept n number then calculate n sum no na n count into a count here as say n counter na be 1 into a better back to condition no while n counter is less than or equal to 10 into n counter here 1 is here no 1 is still less than or equal to 10 now accept the second number na add new addition na count most asa be less than into e be run san or hasa kopim say n counter we no e be greater than 10 greater than 10 pe end no ebe adwuma ensan ko back end ni adwuma pe na afi sisia no ebe display n average amai because yehu sum we no around sum as say n sum no ibinya total sum no te ebe n average is equal to n sum divided by n counter because n counter we no so account ya me yehu say e drew 10 nti ebe sum no divided by 10 na display n sum no na display average because average no I calculate you ha na dey amai but me gidi say what how computer no ebe solve this problem no how about me the computer solve this problem way and one thing o share previous lessons na videos na and can make declare variable n-num1 n-num2 n-num3 so I copy me menya n-num10 because it has empty 10 numbers but when because of say you use while loop no obeka ya na me ka say loop ye ade ebe repeat sa kopim say condition bi ebe meet condition bi nti because of sa while loop we nti no ehun hia say ebe declare variables nkwa 10 because me say while n counter is less than equal to 10 and accepting numbers no nti ebe accepting number 1 na check condition less than 10 because n counter no less than 10 into a person accepting the second number into variable ba ko na nkasa no e be accepting numbers bebre accepting na store because n sum is equal to n sum plus n number into accepting n number na sa number no aba n sum ni because n sum is equal to n sum plus sa number na here we see that is n number into a store gu sa n sum variable we na afisa n container no ebe empty because o sha accept ya na assign ayɛ den assign show ha because n sum is equal to n sum plus n number nti number no bɛsan aba ha number ne ba ha wo hwɛ a n sum is equal to nti ɛkyɛ sɛ n number we no aba be store wɔ n sum we mu nti n number we ayɛ empty a ebetumi asa receive another number na saa number no so abe store because n sum no yɛ n sum plus n number saa kopim sɛ condition we no ebe false false pe na a end nti yɛhwɛ behind the scene sɛ deɛ ebe ɛwɔ ha nti wo hwɛ a yɛ start a program no n counter is equal to 0 nti n counter is equal to 0 nti accept n num nti ebe accept n number no which can be any number bi a wobɛbɔ nti yɛmfa ne sɛ nipa ne bɔ 2 nti n num is equal to 2 a na about the next line that is n sum nti ebe compute n sum no which is 0 because n sum no yɛdi kan initialize it to 0 nti for the first time no ebe 0 we say 0 plus 2 sorry we say 0 plus 2 0 plus 2 2 we n num na nipa no eboy nti ha be 0 plus 2 now if you have a compute n counter no which is equal to n counter plus 1 n counter no so you initialize it to 0 be 0 plus 1 which is 1 in this say no you new n sum a 2 you new n sum a 2 and you new n counter a 1 in this say now this is our new n counter is the n counter near 0 be my be 1 the n counter a 1 n sum a 2 nti ebe accept n number no foforo nti n number foforo no yesen yemfa ne se nipa na bo 4 nti se nipa ne bo 4 a yen calculate ye new n sum ti n sum ne beba be 2 plus 4 because you see am ye n sum abe 2 because edi kan start a program no na n sum ye 0 ana nipa ne bo 2 ina be nti se 2 no a store n sum we nim to say the American variable nim nti say yes ebe another computation n sum is equal to 2 because you see our n sum value na be 2 to 2 plus number na nipa na sa bono 4 na be 6 nti 6 we are now a compute n counter no first na n counter 1 nti age another number no ebe san be count it because line by line from this line to the next line to the next line nti n counter na be 1 because you see n counter any 0 biom adikan a first statement na run ama abe 0 plus 1 because you can say n counter no bia no say condition no true a enkwa na mfa 1 me de embeka ho nti adikan run the first one the 1 aka ho ama na 1 see n counter 1 and I will n counter 1 no what the 1 be sha is still less than or equal to 10 nti say so far as less than or equal to 10 no we nyina san execute nti ebe 1 plus another 1 na aye 2 nti ebe run this for 10 numbers because you see n run is 10 times that is n counter less than or equal to 10 so far as n counter we nyan do 10 no ebe run is kopim say ebe hu say no condition no aye false the condition here false pe and it's ha no be 10 we ne be count ya ma na be 10 the false pe na fe I break it out from the loop nim na be display average na my because you say n sum we are store total no divided by n counter we so store ama ehun say e bia 10 na afi display sum near display average me ba cho busan for me gidi say mati ase onti ase a obetumi e de o questions at me Facebook page no so me bo mode na ma answer ma sign go over kakra ana opa akọ video on while loop no beti ase na sign back to video we me gidi say obeti ase pa say me gidi say my page has to this nti o de kosoa na share video no on subscribe and so I me so subscribe ma me share like it na comment na emboa me na emboa wo. Medamase. Bye bye.